Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Divadian Fadilah, S2 PAIA. I will present journal Salafi Based Integrated Elementary School Management. Yeah. One introduction. Management of Islamic education is process of structuring managing Islamic education institution that involves in Muslim and non-human resource and moving them to achieve the goals of Islamic education effectively and efficiently. That means that in Islamic educational institution, it is necessary to have good management in accordance with the rules and the teaching content in the Al-Quran and Hadith. While the management process of Islamic education includes planning Islamic education management, organizing Islamic education management, actuate education, Islamic education management, and controlling management of Islamic education. In addition, in the management of Islamic education, there are the principles of management of Islamic education, namely amar ma'ruf and nahi munkar, singkar upholding the tribe harness, upholding justice of fight, conveying the mandate to express responsibility. This research focus in the management of Salafi-based integrated Islamic schools, bearing in mind that the development of integrated Islamic school is currently very developed, where parents are very enthusiastic about sending their children to integrated Islamic school by combining the general curriculum with an Islamic-based curriculum. In this study, the Salaf-based curriculum. Literature review. This study used a qualitative approach with phenomenological methods. One, organizing Salafi-based integrated Islamic elementary school. Community involvement in school progress is very important, so that school get partners in engage school, but if school do not have partners to implement of integrated Salafi-based Islamic elementary school. In addition to implementation of student hours in the implements of teaching and educational staff. Next, research methodology. This study used qualitative and with phenomenological methods. This research was conducted the Rodatul Jannah Integrated Islamic Elementary School. The research subject consists of the principal, the teacher council, and the school staff. Data collection technique was an interview. The data analysis technique used Miles and Habermas interactive model. Next, findings. One, Salafi-based integrated Islamic elementary school planning. In carrying out organizational activities, planning is needed because planning is the first step in carrying out future institutional activities. Student planning is very important to be carried out by school so that student can carry out the learning process at school properly. Without good planning, it is very difficult implement learning to learn well. Besides planning to separate male and female student, a separation was also carried out between male and female. Next, furthermore, planning for teaching and educational staff is very important for implementation of learning schools because teaching and educational staff are exam and role model for their student. Therefore, teaching and educational staff must be well prepared, both morally and academic. Indeed, facilities in infrastructure must be well planned so that in the future they can support teaching and learning activities properly in school. Planning activities and carried out because before implementation year so that next year's needs for facilities and implementation can be met properly so that implementation can be carried out according to what has been planned. Besides planning, facilities and infrastructure, it's also necessary to curriculum for teacher which developed for a lesson plan or LPP, which is very important so that teacher is teaching can prepare to properly. It's very important that the lesson plan prepared properly. This is to make the gear carry out the test. That is, teaching go according to what expect. If teaching teacher does not make a lesson plan, then implementation of learning can go well. Next, organizing Salafi-based integrated uh, Islamic elementary school. In addition to organizing school finance, organizing community relation is very important to support school progress. The surrounding community is also responsible for school progress because the community will also benefit from the school success of producing superior and noble human resource. Next, implementation of an integrated Salafi-based Islamic elementary school. Implement a good curriculum is very important. The program progress of school, the curriculum is a school with carrying out learning activities properly. The curriculum is not implemented properly, it will have a negative impact. Implementation learning a classroom. Next, discussion. One Salafi-based integrated Islamic elementary school planning. Then the role of leadership that firm, intelligent, and a solid team in important part of managing a superior madrasah. The study result of Cut and Royce highlight the all management elements in madrasah become solid team. Next, organizing self-integrated Islamic elementary school. The organizing that was carried out Rodatul Jannah Islamic Elementary School was based in Islamic educational management of Islamic education process of structuring managing Islamic educational institution that involves Muslim and non-human resource moving. Next, implementation of integrated Salafi-based Islamic. It was that supporting factor and development of superior class was the formation of curriculum development team collaboration network. But the inhibiting factor was the readiness of students who had not been maxim in participating in superior class programs. Next, evaluation of Salafi-based integrated Islamic elementary school. Um, Evaluation of Salafi-based integrated elementary school, the fulfillment of educational standard is also imparable component in creating superior madrasah. Madrasah should further empower each important component in madrasah ranking standard. Process standard, graduate competition standard, assessment standard, and management standard in order to achieve madrasah goal, vision, and mission. Next conclusion, the emergence of Salafi based integrated Islamic school has been musliming due to the high enthusiasm from parents to send their children to this type of school. On the basis, the school should be managed appropriate based on Islamic teaching and environment to sustain quality of Islamic-based education. However, a much deep investigation of this topic highly recommended to reveal a more practical and deeper understanding of Salafi-based integrated Islamic school. Furthermore, as this study solely evolves on institution, more school participants a similar study are suggest signs that will provide a fuller portrayal of the final Islamic school management. Choosing a secondary level study site allows worth researching to discover how Salafi-based intake school a hard level manage. Oke, syukron, jazakumullah khair.